Yo gamers, ready to outrun the cops in GTA 6? Well, hold up, Rockstar's making it way harder this time. Welcome to GadInsider, where we're diving into GTA 6's insane police tactics. GTA 6 might introduce sneaky cop cars with ghost decals, turning every crime into a high-stakes gamble. Wanna know how this changes the game? Stick around, let's get into it. The second GTA 6 trailer dropped some serious hints about what's coming, and gaming fans are buzzing. According to sources, there's a wild detail at the 47-second mark where Jason drives by an arrest in progress. Check this out. There's a black car parked down the road that looks totally normal until Jason gets closer and boom, ghost decals light up, revealing it's a police car. And this isn't just a cool visual, it's a game changer. If this leak is legit, Rockstar's adding real-life police tactics to GTA 6, like undercover cop cars with stealth decals that only show up when you're close. That means committing crimes in Vice City just got riskier. You might think you're in the clear, only to roll right past a hidden cop and instantly rack up a wanted level. Compare that to GTA 5. Right now, if you get a wanted level in GTA 5 without being spotted, cops start searching the area from scratch, giving you a chance to hide or slip away. But in GTA 6, these sneaky cop cars could mean instant heat the moment you mess up. You'll need to keep your eyes peeled and play smarter than ever to stay one step ahead. Now, Rockstar confirmed the GTA 6 trailer mixes cinematics and gameplay, but we don't know yet if these stealth cop cars are an active gameplay feature or just cutscene flair. Either way, it's got us hyped for a more intense, realistic open-world experience. And mark your calendars, GTA 6 is dropping May 26, 2026 on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS. That's when we'll find out just how tough these cops really are. So what do you think? Are you ready to outsmart GTA 6's sneaky cops? Or will these ghost decals catch you off guard? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your escape plans. If you're pumped for more GTA 6 leaks and gaming news, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to join the GadInsider crew. We're your go-to for the latest in tech and gaming. Don't miss out.